it's Olivia, and today I'll teach you how to make double chocolate cookies. So here I have my pre-measured ingredients. I have 1 1/8 cups of butter, softened butter, 2 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of flour, and 2 cups of chocolate chips. So I'm going to use my stand mixer to cream together the butter and the sugar. So put it in there and mix it. I'm gonna scrape off the attachment and scrape the edges of the bowl to make sure everything gets incorporated. Okay, so that's mixed together pretty well. Next I'm going to add my eggs and vanilla. And mix that up. Next I'm going to add my cocoa powder. And my baking soda and salt. Now I'm going to mix this slowly at first so it doesn't go everywhere and fly out of the bowl. And then slowly you can move the speed up as it gets more incorporated in. Now I'm going to add in my flour, mix it a little bit at a time. And I'm just going to add in, scrape the bowl. rest of the flour. And mix it up again slowly. Okay. Next, I'm going to scrape everything off and add in my chocolate chips. And that looks pretty good. So now I'm going to take out my bowl and put it in the fridge. Let it chill for 15 minutes in the fridge. Take it out and let it sit for 5 minutes, and then cover a baking sheet with parchment paper and cook them at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Thanks for watching!